Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'll be going over how to install Nagios Network Analyzer 2024 R2 using ESXi. Installing Nagios Network Analyzer 2024 R2 using ESXi allows you to deploy a dedicated virtual appliance for detailed network traffic analysis without needing extra hardware. This ensures scalable, centralized monitoring in virtual environments, helping identify bottlenecks, unusual activity, or bandwidth misuse with ease. Let's dive right into today's installation video. The first step is to head to nagios.com in order to download the OVA file. When on nagios.com, we can head to the top of the page, hover over Products, and then click on Nagios Network Analyzer. From here, we want to click on Get Started Free. We can scroll down, click on Microsoft, and then we want to download this OVA, the Open Virtualization Format for the Microsoft, just so we can use it for vSphere. We can click Download Now. It'll pop up in our downloads. And then after this is downloaded, we're going to want to head right over to vSphere. When on vSphere, click on the folder that you're going to put the VM in, head to Actions, and then click on Deploy OVF Template. From here, we're going to want to click on Local File, and then click on Upload Files. And then we're going to want to upload the file that we just downloaded. We can click Open, and then now we can head to the next page. Here's where we can name the virtual machine. For demo purposes today, I'm going to name mine Nagios NA 2024 R2 Test. Select the location where you're going to be storing the virtual machine, and then click Next. Choose the compute resource. Now review these details. If everything looks correct, we can click Next. Here's where we are going to want to select the storage for the configuration and disk files. As well on this page, you can choose to encrypt this virtual machine or disable storage DRS for this virtual machine. I'm going to leave both of these default and head to the next page. Here's where we can choose our network. For each source network, I'm going to leave mine as bridged, and then leave mine as VM kernel. Those look correct. And then finally, we can review all the sections and make sure that everything looks fully correct. If it does, then we can just simply press Finish. In order for us to fully finish this, we have to wait for this Deploy OVF Template and then Import OVF Package in order to boot up the machine and head to the web GUI. This might take a little bit. Now that these have finished at the bottom, we can click on our VM. We can power on our machine. Click Launch Web Console. And then now we're going to want to log in with these creds where it says default root and then password Nagios NA. So the username is root and then the password is Nagios NA. After we are logged in, we're going to want to grab that URL where it has the IP address attached with it and open it up in your browser of choice. Now we have our final installation steps. The first portion is the license setup. If you already have a key, you can click on I already have a key and then enter your license key here. Otherwise, you can just use the free 30-day trial. That's what I will be using for this test version. Beneath this, we have our admin account setup. We have the username, password, confirm password, email address, language, and then system time zone. These four with the red asterisk are all required. Just for demo purposes, I will be doing a simple password, but we highly, highly recommend doing a very secure password. After this page is fully configured to your liking, we can click on Finish Installation. And then now we can use those credentials that we just typed in to log in. And we have officially installed Nagios Network Analyzer 2024 R2. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to install Nagios Network Analyzer 2024 R2 using ESXi. For any more support or any additional questions, visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos and or tutorials regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and keep on monitoring.